Hey guys, so today's topic is on Notebook LM, which is language model, and Google recently make it a new look, audio interactivity, and a premium version. Let's see how it works. So it says think smarter, not harder. The situation is, let's say we have various sources where we want to study same topic, right, from various sources. So that time what we need to do is we need to collect few points from one source, few points from other sources, and some few from other sources, and collectively it becomes quite harder and time consuming to take a note from various sources. So this notebook LM make us easy, which will automatically summarize from the various sources. So let's see. So here, for example, asset liability management (ALM) is one of the topic of commercial banking. Actually, my wife recently took examination of commercial banking, and this topic was one of the topics she was preparing for examination paper, and she asked me to summarize this topic on various sources. So these are the sources actually. For example, cfq.com, and we have Wikipedia, Corporate Finance Institute.com, and Investopedia.com. In order to get those sources on Notebook LM, we need to add source. For example, there are many options, like if your note is there on Google Docs or Google Slides, so you can import from Google. And if you have some raw text, you can just copy text here. And if your information is on YouTube, you can use even YouTube link. So at this stage, these sources are web URLs. So I have to just copy the URL and click on this website link and paste URL here. And if you click insert, then here this source get updated. Since I have already imported this source, so I want to make it unchecked. Actually, one interesting feature is, so if you click on notebook guide, so here you can see the summary, what exactly ALM means and what are the core principles, etc. So we can also even start typing here and ask whatever further information we need on this particular topic, so that it can give answer based on the text or information exist on these all sources. And the thing is, audio overview option is there. So if we click on load, so it will generate one short audio clip. So that is basically a conversation between two virtual agent, and that's the summary of this whole topic taken from the various sources. For example, let's demonstrate further.
All right, welcome to your personalized deep dive. You guys requested that we take a look at asset and liability management.
ALM.
Yeah, ALM for short. And we are ready to tackle that. Imagine walking a financial tightrope. You've got everything you own.
Yeah.
Those are your assets. And then on the other side, everything you owe.
Right.
That's your liabilities. That's basically ALM in a nutshell, right?
Exactly.
We've got a ton of definitions here, real world example.
Lots of good stuff.
And even career insights to help you on this high wire act. So
Absolutely.
buckle up, because this deep dive is your shortcut to understanding ALM why it matters, how it works,
Yeah.
and how it can help you make smarter financial decisions,
Sure.
both personally and professionally.
It's like having a financial GPS guiding you towards your goals.
Oh, I like that.
But instead of avoiding traffic, it's all about avoiding financial risks.
I love that analogy.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start with the basics. We've got a few definitions of ALM here, but what's the key takeaway? What's the one thing you want our listener to understand about what ALM really is?
Yeah, the core of asset and liability management is about mitigating those financial risks that pop up when your assets and liabilities aren't quite aligned. It's about making sure you have the resources
All right.
to meet your obligations without putting your financial stability at risk.
So it's not just about having a lot of assets or managing your debt.
Yeah.
It's about the relationship between the two.
Precisely. Think about it like this. You wouldn't want to build a house on a foundation
Right.
that can't support it. Right. ALM ensures your financial foundation is strong
Okay.
and can withstand various economic pressures.
That makes sense. Yeah. Okay, our sources mentioned that companies that use ALM effectively, they act.
So this is interesting, right? We can also ask summary in points, for example. Summary of asset or liability management in 5 points. So it will always consider these 4 sources or as number of sources that we had imported, and based on that it will give one final results. So more or less this is one of the important feature, I believe. So this will be helpful for research paper and for students as well as product engineers or software developers in order to get summarization of, for example, features and behaviors if they have documented on some sort of maybe websites or wikis. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.